Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about DePIned Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop step by step, so keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. Link will be down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. If you want to join DePIned Airdrop, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page. So click on register on the right side. You will be redirected to this page. And here you need to type in your email address, a password, and then click on register. And here they will ask you to type in your username, then click on continue. Next, what describe you best, and from the drop down list choose the first option, AI Startup. Then click on continue. And finally, what's your main use cases? Choose the first option. Then they will ask you to type an access code. I will leave the access code down below in the description box so you can copy and paste it here. Then click on enter. Then you will land on the dashboard, but as you see, the network is not connected, so we need to install the Depin extension from Chrome Web Store. And to do that, click on download. You will be redirected to this page, and to add this extension to your browser, click on this blue button on the top right corner, add to Chrome. They will show you this message, so click on OK and wait until it's completely installed. Now let's open Depin extension. They will show you this message, and here you need to log in using the same email address that you have just used to register. So click on login. Then you will be redirected to this page, so fill in all this information and then click on access my account. They will ask you this question again, so choose the first option and then you land on the dashboard again. So let's open Depin extension again, then click on connect now. Now if we go back to the dashboard, as you see, the network is connected, and that's all what you need to do. As you see, it was pretty simple, so don't miss this opportunity to make some money. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon, guys. Good luck.